Oh my god. Ja, de onderbroek aan volg. Wie sprokje is dat?
Oh ja, ben aan die zitten dan.
Mom, I have no time.
You back for real? Oh, what have you done?
Oh, darling, look, I've got a funny uniform.
Oh, you like that? What the heck has happened with you?
I have no job, a boob job, and a night reception. Before, I was a bad boy, just like you.
Are you crazy? You look awful now.
Don't make such a fuss about it. If he's happy, then I'm happy too.
But look at those awful clothes he's wearing.
It's just a top and a sexy mini skirt. and
If he wants to look that way, that's his choice. He'll have to accept it. But I'm jealous about it, especially about the boots and
come ahead, Mom.
I would like to have some boots too. So we go to the surgeon to make an appointment.
Okay, Mom.